Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers battery for sale. These are the batteries which you can put to this JBL Flip 3 full version with JBL Connect, you can see. So in this JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker, the battery comes inside the speaker is 3.7 volt and 3000 mAh battery capacity. So this is the perfect fit which can be fitted in this JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. So this JBL Flip 3's battery is compatible with JBL Flip 3 and the capacity of this battery is 3200 mAh. 100% I have tested personally and I have given to so many customers. So this you can buy and install in your JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker where you face the battery problem. So these batteries are brand new in condition. This is 3200 mAh each at 3.7 volts. So you can buy and install these batteries. This is, again I am stressing on the word, this I have tested personally by discharging it with 1 amps load. So this is 3200 mAh, 100% guaranteed. So this is brand new batteries. This is for sale here. If you want to buy this battery, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give in the title and in the description. There is no cash on delivery option as of now. So you have to pay in advance and buy this battery. Once the payment is received, the battery will be immediately packed and dispatched through India Post anywhere in India, totally pan India. Any pin code is accessible using India Post. So you can buy this battery. We will ship it in India Post. So the tracking number and the India Post slip I will share immediately. Our sales executive will share the slip to your WhatsApp number. So there is no cash on delivery. Please don't ask for cash on delivery. As of now it is not there and the price is given in the title and in the description. You can there are so many batteries might be available online or offline. It will be mentioned 3000 mAh at 3.7 volts. But I'm not sure it will have that 3000 mAh or not. But these batteries are 100% sure from AudioViz 360 this channel. I am claiming here that these batteries are 3200 mAh 100% because I have charged this fully and discharged it using discharge circuit board at 1 ampere load. So this is 100% giving 3000 mAh, 3200 mAh. Each of these batteries are giving 3200 mAh 100% sure. So please don't compare this with other batteries. These are genuine batteries which I have tested personally for customers. These batteries has been made because based on the demand, so many people are asking for JBL Flip 3 battery. So I made this video to sell this JBL Flip 3 battery. I have used this battery so many times. This is the first time I am selling here in this channel. I am promoting Gadget Spare channel. There is one more channel. From there you can buy. The number given here is also belongs to Gadget Spares. So there is no cheating kind of anything. This is 100% assured because all the viewers of this channel are my loved ones. So this channel will never cheat anybody. So don't worry about that. This is genuine battery which gives 100% 3200 mAh. Closing your eyes you can buy. No compromise at all in the quality. So it is easy decision for you to buy as I am claiming these things very stressfully here to make you satisfied by my words. So one more thing I want to tell you. So this BMS battery management system and this cable is harvested from working JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers battery. So these batteries I assembled myself to sell here. This battery I have selected this battery for JBL Flip 3 and this BMS whatever is installed here is harvested from working original JBL Flip 3. So this is 100% original with this cable. Only the battery is of the market which I have tested from my side. So no need to worry at all. Without hesitation, closing your eyes you can buy. Alright, I am winding it up here. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And if you have any queries, please do ask in the comment section given below. Thanks for watching. Bye.